Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zoho Zia AI for CRM workflow automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Zoho Zia AI for CRM workflow automation, first, log into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the settings icon located in the upper right corner of the dashboard. From the settings menu, select Marketplace. In the Marketplace, locate the Zoho Zia application. Click on the Zoho Zia app to open its details page. On the details page, click the Install button. Choose the appropriate organization if prompted. Review the permissions required for installation. If you agree to the permissions, click Accept. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, navigate back to the CRM dashboard. Click on the Zia icon located on the left sidebar. To set up Zia for workflow automation, click on Set up Zia. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure Zia's features. Select the modules you want Zia to assist with. Enable the AI capabilities that best suit your workflow needs. Customize any additional settings as prompted. Finally, conduct a test to ensure Zia is functioning as expected within your workflows. With these steps completed, you have successfully installed Zoho Zia AI for your CRM workflow automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.